In front of me is HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this HONOR device. Firstly, you need to locate and access calendar. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and create your event by selecting this X icon at the bottom right corner. Now you can adjust it however you wish to, but firstly click on Add More Fields. Now you can, for example, add a title, pick location, set up starting hour and ending one. You can also change your date over here if you wish to. If you don't want to pick starting hour and ending one, you can disable this feature as well by selecting this switcher above next to all day. Now just repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, like every year. If you don't, just select never. Now you can click on this switcher next to alarm reminder to enable or disable this feature. Then set up reminder, for example 2 days before. Over here take notes. Select accounts, and when you're ready, save your event by choosing this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to make some changes, just click on it, select this pen icon at the top right corner, do whatever you wish to, and discard your changes by clicking on the top left corner, or save them by choosing top right one. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner instead, select delete at the bottom, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!